Hi students, I'm Ruchika and I welcome you to Success Cities Education. Here I have important information for students of CBSE class 12th who study biotechnology. I will give you the exam pattern and the structure of the question paper. Your exam has a theory paper which carries 70 marks and the practical is of 30 marks. So I will discuss both of them. I will tell you the weightage given to the different topics and the design of the question paper. This is also available on the official website of the CBSE. Here you can see the total marks for the theory paper are 70 and the practical 30. Time given for the theory paper is 3 hours. The first section which carries 40 marks is of protein and gene manipulation, and then 30 marks are given to cell culture and genetic manipulation, totaling to 70 marks. The practical will be of 30 marks. This is the design of the question paper. First of all, there are the questions based on knowledge. There will be 2 1-mark questions which are the short answer questions. Then there will be 2 short answer 1 type of questions which carry 2 marks each. There will be 2 short answer 2 type of questions which carry 3 marks each, totaling to 12 marks. Then questions based on conceptual understanding. There will be 1 2-marker question, 3 3-marker questions and 1 long answer question of 5 marks, totaling to 16 marks. Questions based on application and inferential. There will be 1 very short answer question of 1 mark. There will be 2 short answer 1 type of questions of 2 marks each, and there will be 3 short answer 2 type of questions of 3 marks each, totaling to 14 marks. The next type of questions are based on reasoning. There will be 2 1-marker questions, then there will be 2 2-marker questions, 1 3-marker question and 1 5-marker question, totaling to 14 marks. Then there are questions based on skills. There will be 1 very short answer question of 1 mark, then there will be 1 short answer question of 2 marks, and then there will be 2 short answer questions of 3 marks each, and there will be 1 long answer question of 5 marks, totaling to 14, and the total paper is of 70 marks. Now this is for the practicals. The list of experiments is given. You can go through this. Then this is the details of the practicals. There will be 2 experiments carrying 6 marks each. There will be only 1 computer based practical. Then the practical record which you will make will carry 4 marks, and the viva on the practicals which also carry 4 marks. The project which you have done, the write-up will carry 5 marks, and the viva on the project will be also of 5 marks, totaling to 30 marks in all. Thank you for watching this, and we have such lessons on different subjects. You can go through them, and do subscribe to Success Cities Education.